Ki te ako te reo, ki te whakarongo ki ngā kōrero pāna ki te hitori o tātou, te iwi a Ngāti Whātua. Pēhe ki te kōrero kia tika.
To reaffirm who we are and to strengthen ourselves as parents. We can bring our children, whakawhanaungatanga, to learn te reo Māori and waiata and pūrākau and just everything. Being together as a whānau, learning from our own.
Nā pauako o rātou pūkinga pāna ki te reo, me nā kōrero pūrākau pāna ki a Ngāti Whātua. Ia Wananga, ka tūtaki e tahi whānau.
Having the opportunity to be sleeping on our marae, at our marae, outside of a tangihanga, this is a real positive experience. So, yeah, it's just so, it's awesome.
Ko te mea nui ki au, kua tūtaki au i tōku whānau, and ka noho au, ka moi au ki konei, ke ora ke mara. Ko tēnei taku wā tuatahi kua hara mai au ki konei, so ko tērā te mea nui ki au.
You know, we all sort of get hoha, or you don't want to come, or yeah, I was a bit like that. But once you get here, you know, it's totally different. You can sit there and you listen. You know, the whole thing is about listening, and I think that's how we were brought up. It's just come and give it a go.
There are many different ways we can learn our reo, and this is one opportunity that we have. And you know, it is free, and our iwi here, our orake support us with that. We're well nurtured with our kai, we're given lots of aroha and love, and yeah, come along. And what's really wonderful is that it doesn't matter what our level of ability is, we're catered for. Our kaiako, our pauako are really sensitive and aware. Don't be afraid, don't be shy, don't be whakamā. You know, because at the end of the day we all realise we're whānau, we're family, and we're trying to move forward to strengthen each other. Then we strengthen our whānau, strengthen our hapu, strengthen our iwi.
Nau mai te whānau, nau mai ki konei, ki tēnei Wananga, ki ēnei Wananga, whakahira hira.